School strategies. Attention. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for the morning prayer.
If you always try your best, then you'll never have to wonder about what you could have done if you had summoned all your thunder. And if your best was not as good as you hoped it would be, you still could say, I gave today all that I had in me. Good morning to one and all present. Students of 9B stand ready to welcome you to the first assembly of the year. Over to you, 9B.
As we embark on this new year, let us take a moment to appreciate the knowledge gained, friendships formed, and the exciting journey that awaits us in the days ahead.
Respected Principal, Reverend Father Regis Varghese, Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Rakhi Banerjee, Headmistress Ma'am, Mrs. Ansi Varghese, our dedicated teachers, and all our enthusiastic Gregorians. A very warm morning to everyone. It is with immense pleasure that I stand before you as we come together to celebrate the commencement of the first school gathering of the year 2024. I, Kanishka Priya,
And I, Ananyanan,
from class 9B, are honored to be your host.
Morning everyone. A pinch of motivation at the beginning of the day keeps us rejuvenated throughout. So, here I go. Every precious thing that you want out of life starts from believing that you possess an unstoppable drive to continuously strive and thrive.
Good morning and welcome to the news bulletin of the day. This is Swikriti Kumari reporting from class 9B. In today's international news, a massive earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 has hit Ishikawa in central Japan. Tens of thousands of fleeing Palestinians sought shelter as Israeli tanks pushed through the central Gaza Strip. Now some domestic news. The India Space Research Organization ISRO welcomed 2024 on Monday by launching the ExpoSat mission, India's first ever venture into studying the various astronomical X-ray sources in extreme conditions.
Good morning everyone. The word that I have picked today from my dictionary is rambunctious. Rambunctious is an adjective. It is spelled as RAMBUNCTIOUS. It means loud, unrestrained and indisciplined. It can be used in a sentence as, this new year, let us all evolve from rambunctious teenagers to more focused and disciplined ones. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, everyone. Truth is always more fascinating than fiction. Let us usher in 2024 by learning some interesting facts about the New Year. Did you know that New Year wasn't always celebrated on January 1st? The earliest New Year festivities date back about 4,000 years. At that time, the people of ancient Babylon began their New Year in what we now call March. Julius Caesar, the Emperor of Rome, was first to declare January 1st as the beginning of the year.
Principal sir, please accept these potted plants as a token of love which will add to the ergonomics of your work chamber. Sir, please.
Today, I'd like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our class teacher, Mrs. Sadaf Noori, whose guidance was instrumental in making this event a success. I would also like to express our sincere gratitude to our music teacher, Ashwini sir, for his outstanding efforts in shaping our musical choir. As we wrap up this vibrant morning, let us carry the essence of our theme, New Beginnings, with us.
Remember, each day is an opportunity for a fresh start. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. This beautiful quote reminds us that our destiny is not predetermined. It is a result of our choices and determination.
So, let us decide to be the architects of our destiny, shaping it with purpose, resilience, and the unwavering resolve to make this new year a canvas of extraordinary possibilities. As we leave the rostrum, let us embrace the nostalgia and anticipate the future. Until we meet again with something new and something innovative, here is Class 9B signing off, leaving behind a trail of memories. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Wishing you all a day filled with determination, joy, and a step closer to a person you decide to become. Thank you.